Welcome back to Tools for Guys. My name is Ruben. I just want to show you very quickly what I just bought literally 2 days ago. This is a 24 volt, some kind of saw, that's all I know, but it's Kobalt. The reason I bought this, and by the way, it was a great price, $99. I thought it was a great price. I bought it because I already had the Kobalt drill and the Kobalt impact driver. Both of them are, of course, 24 volts. And the handy dandy thing with those things is that the spare battery that I have will already fit this little saw. So here is how we're gonna literally, this is honestly to goodness, to cross my heart goodness, opening the box for the first time. I was tempted earlier, but literally, and I don't do this very well, so here we go. I do have my Jiffy knife here, my utility knife, and we may have to come back later for this because this can take a while. Here we go. Well, I'll just cut it, since I can keep it. There we go. There, here we go. All right. And we have, of course, a little handle is going to go with it. That's nice. And here's this awesome saw. I actually wanted it on my Christmas list, but I couldn't wait till Christmas. So here it is. We're going to put that together. Well, the first thing I want to check is make sure that the spare volts, my spare batteries, fit. And they do. And as you can see, my batteries, whoa, full life. There it is, 4 lights. And the reason I brought it because we came out camping today and I want to be able to use it to saw a few things here and there while we're out here camping. And let's see what we got in the box here. All right. A little, I think that's for dust attachment. But this is what I was waiting to see. I'm going to put this box aside for now. And a Ziploc type, right? Yeah, that's nice. You know you're getting a good deal when you got a Ziploc bag instead of one of those you got to tear into. All right. And here's what I have been waiting for. Not the Allen wrench, but these little saw blades. Okay. We've got one for wood cutting, wood flush out, and the handy dandy one, metal cutter. This is very nice. So, and my next little 2-minute video, I'm gonna put this thing to use. See you in a little bit.